Hello lecturers and tutors, this is the installation video of Team Arrow 44 and I hope you all can enjoy our video. The name of this concept is Hopscotch. It is basically our childhood game, the Hopscotch, added with a modern twist. We intend to take a new spin on nostalgia and modernization to appeal to our current generation. The intent of this installation is to increase social bonds in students through competitive, friendly games. And while we know that many students love to play video games in this technological world, we aim to create a physical nostalgic game, hoping for students to become more active yet have fun at the same time. We aim to create something enchanting and magical for students, and want to create something visually and auditorily. As you guys can see in the background, which is the video of students going through having fun with our installation. These are how some of the public engage with the installation. So on the little whiteboard in front of the installation are the rules of the game. The public can read it before starting to get a sense of how the game is run. After that, they have to pick a challenge that they will have to do throughout the entire race, the hopscotch race. So for example, they have to balance a table tennis ball on table tennis bat while jumping onto the squares. So once the game starts, the participants have to jump onto the houses without touching the bumps. Once on the halfway point, they have to jump back. So after jumping back, we will give them a lolly as a reward for finishing. They will be asked to help us to fill in a questionnaire. So although this is only a mock-up of our installation, and our installation real concept consists of real technology, like where projector projects onto the ground to show the hopscotch, and also AR technology, where we will be jumping onto the squares for sound. So this is only the concept without the technology involved. So generally, members of the public were very receptive and had fun in our activity. However, most of them did not understand the rules that well. So one thing that could have been done better is that maybe the rules should be more foolproof and spelled out for them. They definitely had laughter on their face and embarrassment when they failed the challenge. Overall, I would call this installation a success. So thank you for watching our video. This is Team Arrow 44 signing off.